Some football now. Leaders Cavalier opened up a 3-point gap between themselves and Harbourview following their come-from-behind win over Dunbeholden in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at Sabina Park on Monday.
It was top against bottom, with Cavalier looking to extend Dunbeholden's winless run while keeping their unbeaten run intact. But it was the Cellar dwellers who came out of the blocks first as Deshanil Russell put Dunbeholden in front after 5 minutes. However, Cavalier hit back Shaquille Steen with a 39th minute equaliser. And with a half-time break fast approaching, Christopher Ainsworth put the title holders in front as the table turned on Dunbeholden. The gap widened after the break as the prolific Jalmarco Calvin made it 3-0 7 minutes after the resumption. The game was put to bed when O'Dane Wilberforce made it 4-1 with 2 minutes to go. Dunbeholden remain at the foot of the table without a point, while Cavalier are now on 10.
Well, we're not so pleased because, the second game running, we can't see that early goal, so it's something we're really wary of and have to go back and look at the reasons why it's happening. Because once it happens more than once, then there's a problem.
Definitely the result that we wanted. We're happy that we got off the mark in terms of scoring our first goal. The work has just started and we just have to continue working. So if I didn't think the quality was there, I wouldn't have taken the job in the first place. I think the quality is here. We just have to go on the training ground and put in the work.
In the late